Good day, you are welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we'll be treating nesting elements. I'm Asante Patrick Romodel, and I'll be your facilitator for this lesson. In our previous video, we created root consort as our root directory. Inside of root consort, we have test site. Inside of test site, we have these folders created. Inside of HTML, we have these files created. For the sake of these studies, we'll be using CSS.html. I will advise you, if you don't understand how can we got these files, you go back and watch our previous videos for a better understanding. Let's continue. So we'll be using CSS.html as I said earlier on. Let's open it. This is what we have inside of our CSS.html as you can see on the screen. Okay, so let's view it and see the outcome or the output. Okay, so we have nesting elements, then I'm learning how to nest HTML elements .p, which is not needed. I'll have to take off this p. Okay, that's fine. So let's view it again. I'm learning how to nest HTML elements. I hope that's perfectly fine. Exactly. Okay, so let's see. What do we mean by nesting of HTML elements? As we said or have it in our previous videos, nesting HTML elements just means putting one element inside of the other. You get it? Okay, so let's see. Now I am learning how to nest HTML elements. I want HTML element to be in italics. So what do? We'll use the emphasis element. We'll use the emphasis element. Sorry. Having problems here. Okay, let me use this one rather. We'll be using the emphasis element, okay? That's fine. The emphasis element is represented by the abbreviation EM, emphasis. This will make whatever comes inside of it italics, okay? It will make it italics. Okay, so let's see. Let's close our emphasis element or the italic element, whichever way you would want to call it. So let's view it and see what comes out. We are expecting HTML elements to be in italic form. So let's view it and see. Perfectly fine. As you can see in the output, we have HTML elements in the form of italic. So it is working. So it means that we've nested this emphasis element or the EM element inside of the paragraph element. As we can see, the EM element is found inside of our paragraph. It is found inside of our paragraph. In our previous video, we made mention of a block level element and an inline element. Let's see something. Let's say we would also get another element, and this element we call it the strong element. The strong element is just used to make whatever its content, yes, it makes its content look boldened, okay? So it makes the content look boldened. Let's see how exactly we can use this strong element. So this its opening tag and its closing tag. Let's say I am learning with Rose Consort. Let me just do this consort, okay? I'm learning with Rose Consort. So we are expecting I am learning with Rose Consort to be in what? A boldened face. To be in a boldened face. Okay, so that's it. Let me run it and let's see. Okay, so it is too small for our view. Let's try and increase the font size a bit, okay? So we will do that by using the style attribute. Then we'll have this. Come here, Jack. Then we'll have this guy. So let's go. We'll have our font size, then size. Font size increase a bit so that we'll have a better view of this, okay? Then let's make it, okay, let me use this 100 px or 100 pixels. Okay, so let's see what will be the output now. Okay, so as we can see, it is now bolded. You get it? Okay, so that's fine. So we have I am learning with rows consort in a bolding form. This is what? A strong element. Let's see if we try to put in some paragraph inside of our strong element. Let's see this. Let's see if it works. So we have the paragraph element here, and in between them, let's say I'm learning with rows consort. I'm learning with, okay, let me clean this. With, we don't need with here because the statement, I'm learning for the first time, or this is not actually your first time, for the first time with, okay, so this is what we want. So we see that this strong element is actually what? An inline element, and the paragraph element is a block level element. According to the rules, we said that we are not supposed to nest a block level element inside of what? An inline element. So we've done this, but we just want to see the output. Let's see. Let's run the code and see. Okay, so you can see I am learning. Then for the first time has taken its own line. Get it? Then rows consort has also moved to the next line, which is not what we are expecting. Which is not what we are expecting. We are expecting something like I am learning how to nest HTML. You see that this flows on a normal line, but you can see the space between I am learning and then for the first time and rows consort. You see, so this means that this content have taken up the block level element of the paragraph element that we nested inside of it. Okay, this is not working. This is not what we are expecting. So we are saying that according to the rules, you can't nest a block level element inside of what? An inline element. Okay, I hope that's fine. This brings us to the end of this lesson. If you don't understand anything, please and please again, you comment or message at me privately. Thank you. Bye bye.